Johnson Travel Journey! Nine Eyes at the Mother Falls! Come on, this is the travel blog, not the sunglasses kids saw. No, you look good, honey. No, it's pretty going, yeah. Oh. Kyle. Yeah, we're on the Johnson Travel Journey. Hey, Popoy. On Johnson Travel Journey, headed to the Mother Falls, the mother of all waterfalls. Doing some bird hunting too. Yeah. We're back to bird hunting. Hey, Fia. Had the guides do some presentations. Hey, Carl. On the Johnson Travel Journey. Thanks for guiding us. Okay. Last chance for bathroom break for the ladies. We're off. See you soon, Mother Falls. Oh, yeah, got binoculars too? Oh. Last stop for food for some of us. Still in the Buco Farms, only here some sunbirds. Looks like our tour guide's dog's coming with us. Kind of looks like my dog Fleeky, but he's brown. Or she's brown. This is piping water to the hydroelectric plant, I believe. I'll ask the guide about that. Kuya. Kuya, is that through the hydroelectric? Yeah, the power plant. Yeah, hydroelectric. Okay, honey.
You know Atibida?
Yeah.
Frederick Hasbar, wife?
Yeah.
She is the chief of the INT.
Oh, so the chief of the electric? The electric, oh, the tourism, you mean? Okay. So our guide's saying there's some swiftlet nests back there. We'll see them on the way out. We got to cross this bridge. Lots of these bridges to cross. And this is the pipe down to the hydroelectric, old platform. Starting to hear more birds out of the Buco groves, coconut groves into the forest. So we're going in a tight space here, but we got some good guides also helping me identify birds. Here it goes. Look at these ferns. Let's see if I can let's see if we can find a swiftlet nest. Although it looks like I gotta put the camera away. Honey, you're on the Johnson Travel Journey. I can see the swiftlets. Yep, Nanai is going to the Mother Falls. It's okay. So in there, we got some swiftlet nests, similar to the swallows in the United States. And Kuya, could you please kindly tell me the Tagalog name of the...
Swiftlet?
Yeah, swiftlet.
And Filipino is layang-layang.
Layang-layang?
Yeah.
Yeah, you said it started with a B, right?
Sometimes they call it balin sa sayaw.
Baling sa sayaw? Okay.
Balin sa sayaw, they are dancing in the wind.
Oh, dancing in the wind? Okay, that's what...
Balin sa sayaw.
Thank you, that's what they do. I just saw one do it just now. Almost there. We
made it.
Yep. And we got to see the layang dancing in the windbird nest. Really nice blue color. Very beautiful. But apparently to see birds here, you have to come early in the morning with a smaller group. That's what Kuya said. And I need to get contact lenses from the eye doctor in Cabanatuan before I go to Subic, which Subic's like the granddaddy of all birding places in the Philippines. Right, honey? Yeah. And when we go to Subic, we're gonna, Daddy Chris will take a tricycle with just Lola at 5 a.m. Yeah. Let's go see these mother falls. These mother fleeking falls. So these are the sour falls because Kyrie gets sour when we stop and look at the small one. No, it's because I'm thinking maybe people feel sour. They think this is the mother falls. They're like, oh my goodness, I got ripped off. But nope, still gotta go. Mother falls is much bigger. And nice. Let's get the mother fleeking falls. The final stretch. That's the dam, I guess. You can see the spray. We made it. Now there's a Tatay of Father Falls, right?
Next time.
That's like an overnight adventure. Yep. Get my 20-something health back for climbing the rocks to go there. Really clear water here, perfect for swimming. But I'm not gonna partake. I'm gonna try to go bird hunting a few hundred meters down. Really nice rainforest here. Honey! You still can't hear me, the water's too loud. Spider webs. Water going down the dam. Looking at the parties coming up. Yeah, I think it's time to go. So we're on our way down from the falls, and thanks to Kuya Carl and one of the guys, we found, I think this might be the legendary Ibong Adarna. We'll see. So this is just like our plantita in Baltimore. A lot of the same plants here. It's just thriving in their natural habitat. Although we have to get us one of these. Almost back to the bottom. Almost back to my field guide of the birds of the Philippines, which I will need to confirm that was an Ibong Adarna, aka a Philippine Trojan.